Hello everyone. Today I am joined with a very sweet girl. Her name is Tanisha Sethi and she's from Gurugram, presently a class 10th student. Writing is something that gives her comfort and helps her relax. Over the past few months, she has started living this dream and it gives her so much joy. In her pre-childhood stage, she used to watch animated stories, and this has had a long-lasting effect on her. Learning new things is one of the things which she enjoys, and her hobbies include video editing, writing, drawing, and painting. So you are quite versatile. How did you come across so many hobbies?
Gradually, I
So,
like everything.
right, go ahead.
Yeah, I like everything like reading, watching movies. With video editing is my passion. I love it, and many more things like drawing, painting.
So, what do you prefer to draw? Is it the portrait, landscape, something like that?
Yeah, landscape only, like some sceneries and all.
Yeah. Okay. So, you are in class 10th. You must have, fear of
Yeah,
you. Do you have your fear of boats?
yeah.
So, in the this session, you will have your boats, or in the next session?
In this session,
Okay, then
in
your
this
boards
coming
are
session.
right. So your boards are very near. All the best for your board exams. And let me ask you that how did you come across monomosmy?
When my mom was gradually browsing about some creative contests, she came across Monomosmy. Then I thought that this COVID time is the best time to write something. That's why I started writing. I thought that many people should read what I write.
So then we'll definitely have to thank your mom for finding Monomosmy's platform and giving you the chance to showcase your talent. How much time does it take for you to write a well-formed article?
Firstly, I have to take an hour to think what I should write, and then gradually take times like few hours.
So does any research go behind in what you are writing? How do you form your article?
Not actually.
How do you place or how do you begin writing your article? You first have the topic in your mind, then how do you execute or move ahead?
I prefer writing stories and all. Like first giving some a brief introduction about some characters, and then about I like to watch movies and all, and which inspires me a lot. And some stories book, ebooks, and that.
So what do you prefer more, reading an ebook or reading the hardbound version of the books?
I like both. Actually, the hardbound version because that gives me something that I am reading actually.
I agree, I agree. We until we flip the pages, we don't feel like we are
Yeah.
actually reading a book. So plus the eye strain is also less if we peruse the actual book. So, what are your views regarding criticism? How would you take in criticism if somebody criticizes your work? How do you take that?
Um, I don't really care about it because I know that what I am writing, I know that how well I am regarding that. I just believe myself.
It's good to have self confidence. If you have that self confidence, you really will brush off the criticism. And if something, yeah, if there's something good to take out of it, then definitely you can take, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Because if the criticism is genuine, then we can definitely learn from it and move ahead. And otherwise, I don't think criticism should affect us that much, right? So according to you, what's the most difficult part of yours while you write an essay or article?
Not actually anything because I just need peace and silence. through which I can continue. Just nothing especially,
Uh,
nothing
so,
specific. Yeah.
so since you said you need peace and silence, so can I, guess that you write more during the night time than you write in the morning?
Yeah, yeah,
So you are a night owl more than the early riser.
yeah, yeah.
Why do you find night, much like? Do you think night helps you to write whatever you feel like?
There is silence, peace, everything, like good vibes surround me.
So do you read, you said you read ebooks and books as well. Do you have any recommendation for other people that you can suggest that they should read this book?
Every book is great. Like firstly, I started with Harry Potter, which was my favorite at that time. And then yes, actually every book is great.
I am also a Potterhead in that regard. So yes,
Yeah.
I also like Harry Potter quite a lot, and I agree it is quite a mesmerizing book to read. Now, talking about your passion in video editing, how did this happen?
Actually, like creating videos during someone's birthday. It started like that. And then actually and right now I'm making it like animated videos with some characters moving for someone's wedding or someone's anniversary or birthday, like from the story of their beginning, like how was they like for birthday, like how was it, like that's how animate, like characters moving, talking and all.
So you have become quite a pro in the video editing field, because I don't think I'd manage animated versions of the videos. So yeah, that's nice to hear. So your passion started with the birthday videos, and then it converted into something that's good enough. So how did you
Animated videos.
right? So how did you utilize your Corona period? How would you frame that? Was it good for you? What's bad for you?
It's actually good. Like I get a sufficient time to write, to make videos and all. That's something bad, like missing school days and all, friends.
It has been hard on students, especially with the online classes going. How would you regard online classes to the actual classes that we go to?
Online classes are also good enough. It's actually fun. But yes, the actual classes are the best. Having teachers in front of you, talking to them.
Right. We it's an English saying, right? That until and unless that a thing is taken away from us, we won't feel its importance. So
Yeah, yeah.
in the beginning, we thought that it's boring to attend classes, the same teacher teaching, the same face that we have to see every day. But I think we
Yeah.
miss that now, right? we we miss that physical touch, we miss our friends, but definitely we are connected through internet and everything, but in some
Yeah,
way
yeah.
the physical touch and affection is missing, right? So which board do you belong to?
CBSE board.
So
CBSE.
yeah, so when are your exams starting?
Actually, I'm just in grade 10th. And not actually what you said in the starting. It was a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
My exams are in May only.
The boards will
Next year.
happen next year,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay, you
yeah,
just
yeah.
entered class 10, so you have quite a bit of
Yeah,
time.
but the pressure is same.
Yeah, definitely. The one time
Yeah,
you
yeah.
enter class 10th, it's always the pressure is on, because it's the first board. Every relative in the Indian household is all eager and watching you, what you're
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
So I agree. Yeah, boards are tough. So if I ask you a thing, like you have passion for painting and drawing, and you have passion for writing, do you find any similarity between these two passions of yours?
Yeah, yeah. Something like the story. Yeah, like stories, like the scenes behind the stories. We can paint them, draw them. Like we can make movies of that stories.
So I agree. I think writing is something that we paint through words. We
Yeah.
use words to paint pictures, and especially other writers, the novelists, and everyone, they paint a picture before us through their words. So I think painting and writing are somewhere correlated. What do you find more relaxing, painting or writing?
Both are actually equal, but yeah, painting and reading both are nice.
Do you
Writing is actually more
okay, I'll take that. So, do you think reading is as important as writing or speaking? Because reading is a part that is
yes,
lagging
yes.
now. So, what are your views about reading?
Reading is actually very important. Um, Reading, writing, everything is very important. Everything is actually similar only.
Right, I believe
Everything has equal importance. Yeah.
right. I believe it's a cycle that if even if you skip one part, something will collapse. So I think reading is as important as writing and speaking because we get vocabularies out of it, right? So, according to you, what are the qualities that a good essay or article should have?
Good qualities like some good moral. I believe in like good morals are very important. Good character sketch and title and all. Everything.
So, you have written stories, as you said, right? So, how does the plot and the character and the storyline comes into your mind?
Like it's normal life actually. Normal day-to-day life. Some movies, some stories.
Do you dream? Do you dream some stories?
Yeah, actually yes.
I think
That's
because
the most important.
right, creative minds are still working while they are sleeping. So I agree. You may pen down whatever you're dreaming as well. It's good that you remember what you dream. So, who has been the biggest inspiration in your journey so far?
Like my mom has motivated me to do something to focus on your dreams. Yes, my inspirations are my friends, my teachers. My friends also do write. That's why.
Good that you have a circle of friends who have share your passion, and it's good to have such people around you because you develop by sharing. If you read their writings, they read your writings, they can suggest, you can edit. So yeah, it's definitely a plus point if you have friends like that. Lastly, I want to ask that do you want to give a message to the future participants and contestants of such essay writing competitions?
Not specifically, but yes, everyone should give their best. It's very important, like to think and write, not actually just write. Just think and write. Take time and just write something positive.
I agree because it's not just to just take a pen and write whatever that comes into your mind. You need to think on what you're writing because at the end of the day, we have an audience who reads our work, and if they don't like it, it's not the matter that whatever we have written,
Yes.
it's a waste. So yeah, I think that it's correct to think before we write, and I hope that people listen to whatever you said. It was lovely talking to you, and at such a young
Same.
age, you have so many aims and so many passions going on in your life. I hope you pursue all of them and wish you all the best for your boards.
Thank you. Thank you.